Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. So guys, my name is Ankur Goswami, a banking professional and coach. Friends, one day I was searching for something and I suddenly got one video where Sandeep Maheshwari mentioned a term which was BFSI. So that is the powerful line. There is one industry in India where the opportunities are endless. Jobs are secure and growth is very fast. If you want to build your career, look at BFSI. That line struck me. And I paused the video and actually I also did the same. However, I was working in that industry itself. Now let me give you a more clarity on this. What is BFSI? So BFSI stands for Banking, Financial Services and Insurance. Start with banking. Guys, banking, you know very well. That's a simple bank where you deposit money, take loans, swipe cards, send UPIs. Now after that, there is a financial services. Now what is that? Mutual funds, stock market, NBFCs, wealth management, and I as in insurance, protecting life, health and assets. So guys, together BFSI is the lifeline of India's economy. Now understand why BFSI is India's backbone. Let me just give you some figures and statistics. BFSI contributes around 6% of India's GDP. The mutual fund industry has grown from just 9 trillion in 2014 to nearly 65 trillion rupees in 2024. More than 9 million people already worked in BFSI. That's 1 out of every 12 organized sector jobs. And the best part is by 2030, BFSI will create another 2.5 lakh jobs, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. So whether you are from Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad or even a small town in Kerala, BFSI is reaching you guys. Now understand very important thing here. Career growth in BFSI. That's only the reason guys why we have created this particular platform. And this tends to BFSI industry only. You may start your career as a sales officer or relationship executive. But you don't stay there. With 2 to 3 years of performance, you can become a team leader, you can become a manager profile, or you can become a branch manager, or move into any other vertical like risk, credit, or wealth management. And moreover, in 8 to 10 years, people even rise to zonal head or C-suite role as well. So guys, many of today's top bank CEOs, they started as a fresher in BFSI industry itself. Lots of opportunities for freshers as well. Start with banking. If you would like to be a part of bank industry, then in that case, you will get 2 options. Number 1, if you want to get into the public sector bank, then there will be some exams, you have to clear that. And on other hand, if you want to build up your career in private sector bank, then you have to build up some skills. For example, you must have expertise with your communication skills, with your banking awareness. So these are the few parameters which will make you expertise and you can start your career with private sector bank as well. Now, other industry in BFSI, other sector is insurance. So you can start your career insurance as a sales officer, claim assistant. If I'm talking about the financial services opportunities, then you can start your career with sales as well. Then apart from that, if you have a good opportunity, if you have good knowledge on that, then you can become an equity dealer, research analyst. Apart from that guys, fintech. Fintech is the thing like financial and technology. The company, the finance company, which is completed full loaded with technologies. So opportunity would be digital banking executive, UPI operations, customer support and lots of opportunities in these different verticals. Salary. So starting salary would be like you can start your career in BFSI 2.5 lakhs per annum to 3 or 3.5 lakhs per annum. And it get increased with your performance. It grows rapidly. Now the question arises. So you have given the clarity, but just tell me, sir, how can we start? Yes. So answer is, first, you have to clear graduation. First, you have to complete the graduation. So after listening graduation, you must be having some questions in your mind, some query in your mind. Sir, graduation, BCom is only mandatory? BBA is only mandatory? I have done my BTech. So can I join bank? Answer would be yes. So guys, if you have done any specialization, graduation, any specialization like BA, BSc, BCom, BTech, BPharma, whatever you have done, you are eligible. The mandatory part is graduation is mandatory. That's it. And in few banks, in few companies, graduation with some minimum percentage they required. Not all the banks, not all the companies. So what you have to do, you have to, as I said, you have to work on your communication skills. You have to work on your financial awareness. Lots of things you have to work on. And then on that basis, you can easily be a part of banking industry. Or directly, you can join private banks, as I said, NBFCs or insurance companies. Guys, once inside, learn, perform, upskill, then growth is automatic. So friends, that one line, what I heard from Sandeep Maheshwari, changed actually lots of people's perceptions. Trust me, because I have delivered the same thing in lots of my sessions. Because the same word, the same industry term used by our great speaker Maheshwari Sahab. That's why I am telling you this. And one more example, actually speaking in front of you. I'm the one who have started the career with the BFSI industry. And most of the people don't know me for this particular channel. So let me just introduce myself, guys. I have 15 plus years of work experience, and my last designation was Senior Manager in Kotak Mahindra Bank. And I have trained so far. For the last 2 years, I'm in this coach and training. And I have trained more than 15,000 candidates so far. They are working with different BFSI industries. So it's a great platform, guys. It's a great industry. You can start your career. And let me tell you, BFSI is not just about jobs. It is about helping people manage money, protecting their families, and building India's financial future. If you are a fresher, don't just wait for opportunities. BFSI is already calling you. And remember this, in BFSI, your growth is only limited by your ambition. Guys, if you want to get career guidance from me, if you want to connect with me, you can send me a request on LinkedIn. I am available over there. You can send me a request, connection request. I'll definitely accept it. Then we can have a conversation on the message box of there. Alright guys, thank you so much. Keep learning. Thanks a lot, and we'll definitely meet on next video. Thanks a lot.